Mobility is the key for a pain-free body. If you have strength, if you have flexibility, but if you don't have mobility, then what's the use of that strength and flexibility? So in this video, we're gonna move through creative setup sequence, which will open up your joint, release the stiffness in your body, and ultimately make you feel calm and lighter. So if you are ready, we're gonna start in child pose on our mat. Come to the back of your mat and relax in child pose. Inhale and exhale. Bring your attention to the present moment. Now slowly inhale and round forward and circle your torso right to left 3 times. जब आप पीछे आ रहे हो, then come to child pose, and when you're moving forward, pass your shoulders over your wrist. It's a good warm up for your wrist. And now reverse the direction and circle your torso from right to left. Once you're done, round forward and come to upward facing dog. Again, come back to child pose. Round forward, upward facing dog. Again, exhale, come back to child pose. Repeat this 3 more times. It will mobilize your spine and help you to get deeper back bends, and also if you are stuck in your lower back with pain, then it will help you to release all the pain out of your body, make you feel lighter. Now last one, come to downward facing dog and bend your knees one by one. From here we're gonna do Hanuman Dand. If you know, step your right foot outside of your right hand and open up your chest forward like this. Step your right foot back and repeat the same thing with the other side. Left leg, open up your chest forward. Step your left foot back. Switch side, open up your chest forward. And repeat this 4 times on each side. The wave-like motion will mobilize your entire spine. Also, it will improve your hip mobility. Notice how you feel right now as you do these movements. Feel the stretch in your hip flexors as you move your hips down and bring your chest forward. This is a great stretch for your total body. Last one on the left side, and come back to downward facing dog. From here we're going to do a complex mobility work. Step your left foot forward, raise your left arm up and bring it across the right foot. Turn around to Skandasana. From here face your bent leg to the back of your mat and come to Triyanga Mukha. Come back to Skandasana. And then again to low lunge, and repeat the same sequence 3 more times on the same side. I hope you remember this sequence. If not, then you can watch the video and do it. This is gonna mobilize your hips and hamstring from all the sides. This is called 360-degree hip rotation. So when you do low lunge, you are actually working with your hip flexors. When you come to Skandasana, you work with your inner thighs, and when you bend forward, you are working with your hamstrings. This is going to help you get rid of that lower back pain you always had. As you are done with the last round from this side, then come back to downward dog and step your right foot forward now and repeat the same sequence with this side. Raise the right arm up, bring it across the left foot, come to Skandasana. Now Triyanga Mukha, forward fold. Come back to Skandasana and then come back to low lunge. This is one round. Again raise your right arm up, bring it across the left thigh. Skandasana, Triyangamukha, again back to Skandasana and then to low lunge. And repeat this twice more. Once you're done, step back to downward facing dog. And now jump forward and come to Malasana. Let me show you from the side. This is gonna be a hamstring and inner thigh stretch. Exhale, come to forward fold. Inhale, Malasana. Raise the right arm up. Exhale, bring it back. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, Malasana. Right arm up. Left arm up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, Malasana. And the twists. And then exhale, back to forward fold. Repeat this 3 more times. And the last round, Malasana, raise the right arm up, exhale down, inhale left arm up, exhale, forward fold. Once you're done, turn to the front of your mat, lift your right leg up and come to T posture. Now bend the knee and bring the leg to the front. Again bend the knee, bring it back to T posture. Again to the front, maintain your balance. Exhale to T posture. Let's repeat this thrice more. Your one-legged balance becomes fluid-like when your legs and feet are strong, also the ankles. So work on your strength first. Then mobility work will be easier for you. Once you're done, we're going to repeat the same thing with the other side. First with T posture, and then bring the leg to the front, bend the knee, bring it back to T posture. Again, bring it forward and repeat this thrice more. Try to do it with control. Do not jerk, otherwise you may lose the control. And if you're shaking, then you can place a chair beside you. And now bring the leg back to the ground. Bend forward once you're done. And come back to downward facing dog once again. And step the right foot forward now. Come to low lunge and then to half split. No hands. And then come back to low lunge and then half split. Repeat this thrice more. Again, you can take assistance of the blocks if you find it difficult to balance. Once you're done on the right side, step back to downward facing dog and step the other foot forward. Now the left foot. Come to low lunge and then half split. Do it as slow as you can and with control. Use all of your strength in your legs. Last one, come to low lunge. And now we're gonna lie down on our stomach. Child pose, round your back forward and lie down on your stomach. Spread your hands to the side and now lift your left leg up, bend the knee and bring the foot closer to the right palm and come back. Repeat with the other side. Right leg up, bend the knee, bring it closer to the left palm and bring it back. Repeat this 4 times on each side. Move like a fluid. It is not necessary to bring your foot as close to your palm, but try to bring it across the other leg. Just feel the rotation in your spine. Feel the mobility. Feel the lightness as you do this pose, this movement. Last one on the right side and bring the foot back. And now press your palms and lift up into Cobra pose and back to Child pose. And now round forward into Cat Cow pose. Tuck your toes, hover your knees off the mat. We're gonna activate our core. Bring your right knee to the left elbow and left knee to the right elbow and come back to downward dog. Again, over your knees and repeat the same. Come back to downward dog and hover your knees. Right knee to left elbow, left knee to right. Come back to downward dog and repeat this 5 more times. Last one. Come back to downward dog. And now place your knee on the ground and bring your legs to the front. Spread your legs wider and we're gonna do 90-90 stretches. Both legs 90° with each other and also the thigh and the shin are 90° with each other. And bend forward also with no hand. Repeat this 4 times on each side. This is gonna target your outer glutes. It will work like magic if you're suffering from lower back pain. It helped me a lot. That's why I'm saying it. And remember that we are working with our mobility and we are not stretching here. Also, we are stretching, but this is an active stretch using our own strength, no external support. It will mobilize your hip area और आपको बहुत ज़्यादा लाइट फील होगा इसको करने के बाद and it will ease out your lower back pain in no time. Last one, and now swing your leg to the back of your mat and come to forward fold. Again, no hand. And now lift your leg up into Navasana. Again, back to forward fold. Low boat if you want. Again, back to forward fold. Inhale, half boat or low boat. Again, back to forward fold. Low boat. It will activate your core. We are using our core muscles to lift our leg up and also hamstrings to do the active forward fold. One more time. Low boat. Exhale, forward fold. Low boat. Exhale, forward fold. Now place your hands beside your hips and lift your hips up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, lift your hips up. Exhale, forward fold. But do not place your hips down on the mat. Keep it lifted up. Inhale, lift your hips up. Exhale, forward fold. Use your core strength as you do the forward fold with the hips lifted up. Now bring the hips down and release into forward fold and relax. Lie down on your back, circle your knees around, inward to outward, and then reverse the direction, out to in. And we are finally ready to do the shavasana. Release your hands and legs and relax all the muscles of your body completely. Take a deep breath in and exhale out. I want you to stay in shavasana for as long as you want to feel your body relaxed completely. But for now, I'm going to end the video. So see you next time.